Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to stay organized while working in Figma, especially when handling multiple layouts or platforms, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use pages in Figma, one of those simple but incredibly powerful features that can help keep your designs tidy and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create multiple pages for your different project needs and how to seamlessly switch between them, making your workflow a whole lot smoother. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up Figma, either in your browser or using the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once your project loads, make sure you're in the file you want to work with. Now, take a look over to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a little panel there. It actually houses the Pages feature, but it's really easy to overlook if you're new to the interface. Think of pages a bit like tabs in a spreadsheet. They're different spaces within the same document, each with their own set of artboards, frames, and design elements. To add a new page, just click on the section where your current page is listed. By default, it's probably called Page 1. You'll notice a little plus button right there. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a new page pop up underneath, automatically named Page 2. It might feel like a small step, but what you're doing here is essentially creating a fresh, blank slate to work on without having to clutter your main workspace. Now hear why this matters and how it can really transform your workflow. Let's say you're designing for both mobile and desktop. Instead of crowding everything onto one page, you can use Page 1 for your mobile designs and Page 2 for your desktop layouts. This separation makes it much easier to keep your ideas organized, especially as your project grows and gets more complex. It also helps if you need to present your work to clients. You can clearly show what you've done for each platform without any confusion. Switching between your pages is just as easy. All you have to do is click on the page you want in that same left side panel. Instantly, your workspace will update to show everything on that page and only that page. It's sort of like flipping through different chapters in a book, each dedicated to a specific aspect of your project. If you ever need to rename your pages for better clarity, just double-click the page title and type in something descriptive like mobile screens or web dashboard. And that's honestly all there is to it. Using pages might seem like a tiny organizational trick, but trust me, it can save you tons of headaches down the road, especially if you're collaborating with others or working on big projects with lots of components and variants. So don't worry if it takes a second for the habit to stick. After a couple of uses, switching and managing pages will become second nature. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and feel free to drop any questions or share your own tips about using Figma pages in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you want more easy, practical tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.